Everyone, today I'm here with a new topic that is voice, and it is such an interesting topic, and we all will enjoy it. Now let's start. He is an apple. First of all, we have to see what is voice and how many types of these are. Voices are generally of two types. First one is active voice. This is the example of your active voice, and this is the example of your passive voice. See now, he eats an apple. This is your active voice, and an apple is eaten by him is a passive voice. We all people know how to make active voice. Now today we have to learn how we can make the passive of this. First of all, before doing this, we should be aware about that what is subject, verb and what is object. See now, this is your subject. He eats an apple. He is subject. Who is subject? Subject is the person who performs the action. Eats is a verb. Verb means he is subject. What is doing? He is eating. So this is your verb. What he is eating? An apple. This is your object. So subject, verb and object. Now we have to make the passive of this. How it is made? See now, I am going to tell you the very simple way to do this. See, he eats an apple. We have to make the cross sign first of all. How? Like this, like this. He will go here, it will become him. What will it become? Him. An apple, it will come here. See now. And now in between you can say verb. It will remain in the in between. It will not go anywhere. Eats. You will see that this is the first form. What it is? First form. Whenever you find the first form, it is changed in what? Is, am, are plus third form. See now, we have done this sentence here. More than half we have done by writing this. An apple will come here and he will become him. See now, I told you that if the V1 eat is here, it will convert into is, am, are. Is, am, are. One will come here. Which one? We don't know. You know that this is what? Singular. This is what? Singular. And singular always takes with is. It always go with is. When? Because this is singular. An apple, only one apple. So it will go with this. So an apple is. Third form, eat. Eat, ate, eaten. See, this is first form, this is second form and this is third form. So we are going to write eaten. And after that by will come. So in this way your sentence will become passive voice. This is your active voice. He eats an apple, and this is your passive voice. An apple is eaten by him. This is very simple. Only what you have to understand, what is subject, what is verb and what is object. Object will come here and your subject will go here. Now some other things are here. I will tell you through example. See what are those. Okay. Yes, now we are going to do some examples here. See now. Veena cooks food. I am writing here. Veena cooks food. Veena cooks food. See now. We have to make a cross like this. Veena will come here and it will become by Veena. By we have to write by in every passive voice. Food. Food will come here. Okay, now what is left? Cooks. This is your first form. See, this is your first form. What? Cooks. Cooks is your first form now. Same method will be applicable here. Is, am, are plus third form. Food. Food is generally taken as singular. So we will click this one. Food is. Cook. I going to write cook, cooked, cooked. See now, this is your first form, second form, third form. So food is cooked. COOKED, cooked. Food is cooked by Veena. Your sentence passive voice will become like this. This is your passive voice. Now we will go to another example. See here. The teacher teaches English. This is your subject. This is your verb and this is your object. Now English will come here. English, and the teacher will go at last. By the teacher. Alright. In between, what is left? Verb. See now, first form. We have to just identify this is first form, second form or third form. Because in passive voice, entirely it depends only on the verb. You have to identify the verb. Teaches. We know that this is the first form. So, we know very well. Teach, taught, taught. Second form, first form, second form and third form. So, what are we going to write here? The teacher teaches English. English. Only one subject is here. So, we are going to click is. Is generally go with singular. M go with I and R go with the plural. Okay. So English is because only one subject we are talking about. Teach, taught, taught. This is the third form. So we will apply here taught. English is taught by the teacher. Your sentence is the teacher teaches English. English is taught by the teacher. Now our next sentence. The man speaks the truth. The man speaks the truth. So we have to make a cross like this. The truth we will write here. The truth and by the man we will write here. Speak. First form. So you will write speak, spoke, spoken. Truth. It is also considered as singular. So we will write is. Is a marna. When the first form in the active voice is there, it will convert into is a mar plus third form. So the truth is speak, spoke, spoken. Third form it is here. So we will write here. The truth is spoken by the man. It is very simple. Now see, he helps his wife. He helps his wife. His wife will come here and he will convert into him and by will come along with the him. See now, by him. Help. Third form of help. Help. Helped. Helped. So we are going to write his wife. So it is singular here. Wife. So his wife is helped by him. This is very simple. Now see the next one. The boys play cricket. This is your subject. This is your verb. This is your object. Now the boys play cricket. Cricket will come here. And the boys will go at last. Because we have to make a cross like this, na? Cricket will come here. The boys will go at last. Cricket, the boys. And here you have to write by the boys. Play. Play. Plate. Plate. See now. First form, second form, third form. So, cricket is only the one thing here. So, cricket is... And third form is played. Cricket is played by the boys. Okay.